Good evening, good evening. Good evening, guys. Mm, check, check. Mm, check, check. Mm, check, check. Check. Alright, good evening, guys. I'm back. Just trying to fix the audio for that. Finally fixed it. Alright, that music should be good. Alright. Yep. Alright, so we're just gonna break down the charts. Alright. Alright, so we're just gonna break down the charts. Alright. Oh. Let's go. So I just had some technicals. Alright, that's the previous weekly low we've broken. This is the previous daily low. Previous daily low. Okay, so we've made this bottom wick now. If we do continue rejecting, we should continue back up. Yeah, as you see, this 4 came down, touched this level and continue back up. So 650 is a very important level. I'm gonna be removing that level over here.
Hello.
What up, what up?
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Well, let's go. Okay. We had this level close, came down. Oh wait, this became off. Okay. Several trades looks pretty simple and easy if you're able to catch them. Especially GJ. GJ buys. Potential above. Potential buys above 040. And I would say 1 out of time. Yeah. Potential sells below 154, 650. This is a point of caution. So you see how it's respected this weekly low? It's literally respected it to the T. So these liquidity spikes, if you can look at this liquidity spikes, this should continue moving up if we do close above these regions now. Look at the liquidity in this. 1, 2, 3. Now this should just push now. But what we got to keep in mind is we are in this selling bias, right?
Yeah.
Today's Tuesday, so yesterday was Monday. Okay, so Monday was, yeah, alright. Alright, so you got the potential sells and the potential buys right here. So let's just put a note out to the stream. Note to stream. So one, all trades are taken based on your own choice. And only above the zones, actually above or below the zones marked. Second, alright, so safe all trades to be taken with only 1 or 2% risk of account. Stay anchored text. Okay, that's good. Close this. All right. Now GBP USD. Actually, GBP USD, I wanted to redo the analysis. Because we are in this range. Can't believe I missed this. Okay. Weekly time frame. Daily. Okay. So daily we are forming a resistance on the daily, if you notice. That would actually be a lower high. Right over here. We just need to see where did it pass through. 2, 3, 4 on the daily. Alright, so we got a daily resistance. So what we're gonna do is actually mark the daily high and the low. So the daily high right there, the daily low right there. Have we broken the weekly high and the low? No. So if we do come down to break this low, and that's the high. Okay. So this is the daily, previous daily high, and this is the previous daily low. What up, Sean? What's up? What's up? Anybody else? I can see 4 people, 3 people are live with us right now. Sean, Ashish, what's up? Gypsy, is the third one you?
Yep.
Is the music okay?
Yep.
Sorted. Okay. Previous weekly low. Previous weekly high. Okay. All right. Okay, so go to the 4-hour now. Look at that resistance, it lines up so perfectly. Okay, so going down. Yeah, this is a good resistance also right here. It's a good mark right there. Well, what I would mark on the 4-hour is actually this support. Can you see the support? So at 400 level. 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour says rejected this level. This would be a fake out. This looks interesting. Once it breaks this level probably, but we missed this one. Breaking 440 at least. Yeah, closing about 430 to take it up. So that is fine. I have a doubt. My webcam has green and red lights in it. What it mean? Yo, Sean, send me your camera model. Dun-dun-dun. Alright. Let's still get to break this 198 level. 1898 I mean. Dun, dun.
EN potential buys.
Potential buys? Okay, can you send me a chart?
Yeah, sure. 1 second. I haven't marked it. I just marked resistance now. I'll type it out and I'll send it to you.
So. Logitech C270, it has green constant. Check the user manual, yo. This could continue going up. Let's see what happens. Okay, monthly is currently bearish, although we have a massive bullish candle for the previous month. Weekly, have we broken previous? No, we haven't yet broken the previous week's low. Daily, okay. Put in a support right here, level 400. Hey dude, can you hear any construction noise in the background?
No, I can't.
Okay, please. Can you check on YouTube?
One sec. No, not really.
I have one quantum cam that also has like. So Sean, for me, the red light is always constant, and the green light comes on only like when the camera's on. If I get into trading, what is the max money we get? Yo, what do you mean, Sean? Little, elaborate little, then I'll be able to help you.
Where do you want me to send the link?
Send it on. Okay, send it on. Okay, you choose where. Surprise me.
No.
Send on
The
the
usual
YouTube.
place elsewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I meant the chart artwork. Should I send it there or you want me to send it on YouTube?
Send it on the. Okay, I send it on. 1 second, actually.
Add one more point.
Wow, man just sent his dad's salary on the comments. Okay. Send it in general. Okay, so Sean, okay, wait, I'll explain something to you right now. Give me 1 minute, Sean, I'll explain it to you.
On general only?
Yeah, send it on general.
The free, okay. And I think G was stuck in a range, so I'm not confident about that. I'm sorry, GA.
Okay, looks good. But what is the range?
Which one? Yen.
Yeah.
How much pips you're asking, right?
Yeah, what's the range?
Yes. 40, 41.
Beautiful.
That's there, but I feel like it's gonna reject that level. It's like super strong in the past also. But if you get
Yeah.
a proper break in close, why not?
I would actually anticipate it a little earlier. One second.
An
Realize
early entry.
it pushing up a little earlier. 1 second.
Mm,
Okay, we're looking at 107. Let's check this level out. There on the 1 hour. 9060. Is that 60 the level you mark?
which one?
9060 is the level you mark?
060. No, 11. Oh,
Okay.
the super strong one is, yeah, little lower only. It'll come around that 60 only.
Yeah, 9060 is the previous
Around,
one.
yeah, around 70-ish. Yeah.
60. Yeah, 60 it is.
Mm,
Look at the 30-minute. Look at it before the push up. Can you, oh, okay, wait, just look at the stream.
I am.
Yeah, so here resistance, break and retest basically.
Yeah.
Right, break, retest, and continuation. This small resistance. So if we do break this level, we should continue up to fill this clear traffic.
Yep.
But yeah, I would say till about 50, 350 we're good. What range
Yeah.
is that?
Okay, I went all the way up. Okay, 350 is around 23 pips, so that's also
Yeah,
there.
because you see that's a rejection zone on the
Yeah, on the 1 hour.
hour. This is a good trade to take, to be honest. We just have to wait for
It to form.
yeah. Okay, this should continue up. GBP USD, oh, massive rejection. GBP JPY, man, look at these tiny candles. That's just frustrating. GBP AUD. Alright, Sean, you there? Just drop a text in the comments if you're there, then I'll answer your question. Yeah, it feels like it's rejecting this area. And coming down isn't too clean.
Yeah, that's not. I was looking at it, but
Yeah. Otherwise, going up on the 4 hour and all, it's like a potential 90 to 100 pips or so. 80. Safe 80. But it's just doing some weird stuff, so yeah. Gonna wait. It's pretty decent. GBP AUD. If we start breaking the top, I'd expect it to continue breaking these tops to continue. But there's a level that's very close by. Okay, GBP AUD, I'm actually looking at Baizo. That is very interesting. See what I'm saying? If it closes above this, I'll take buys and I'll leave runners right to the top. On the 4 hour, we are. Daily. Oh, the daily is what's kind of giving trouble. It's at this daily support. So now if this 4 hour flips, it should continue pushing. 1 second. Yo, Sean, Sean, if you're there, just drop a text in the comments and I'll answer your question. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, Euro New Zealand look like it's reversing.
Yeah. So.
Oh yeah, it has a massive bearish engulfing candle.
Big sad.
Should break the lows and continue. Right now it's very slow. Alright. Euro New Zealand is coming down. GBP AUD. Gold should be pretty good. Alright, so Prani.
Tell me.
Ooh. 1 second.
What's up?
Nah, gold just shot up. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Ooh. Alright, so we're just gonna learn how to backtest some of these pairs.
Doesn't look good today, does it?
Yeah. Look at GJ firstly. GJ is utter rubbish. GA also is kinda trash. If it does break down from this range. Yeah, never mind. There's nothing to do there literally. 15 pips, I don't know. Euro New Zealand also is playing away. Hmm. Hmm. Alright, so Gypsy,
Tell me.
in order to cast these long-term trades, right?
Hmm.
I'm just gonna take you to like historical levels. So we're just gonna go down to the 4-hour. Like, so the question is like in this situation, okay?
Oh, okay, okay.
So this is our support, okay?
Hmm.
We mark out the entire zone and we look at that support, Okay, so if price comes into this region and rejects it again, we believe that it's going to go up.
Yep.
So on the 4-hour time frame, this would have been our region mark. Now we start coming lower to the hourly time frames, and then we start looking. Okay, so there's a support right up here, and then that's the support. So when we look here, can you see that price did reject and form a support here?
Yep.
Going down again, 30-minute time frame. You're trying to find entries right over here. So you see, support was created at 180. You see, there's a big, there's a bearish candle right here, weak bearish, plus bullish engulfing.
Yep.
Right. So you'd enter your trade once that candle closed. Okay, so that's give or take 11 to 10 pips.
Okay.
And so where did price go the previous time? So I'm trying not to look there, okay? So price pushed up from here. Let's just say, okay, 130 pips we were pretty peaceful with. Or let's use this level. $120 pips, okay?
Alright.
Target the same thing, 120 pips. You see? Pushed up almost 160 pips.
Okay, so we look to do the same thing it's done in the past again and again, right?
Yeah.
That'll be our main thing to look at, right?
Yep. So just imagine where we go look at. So you could have this level marked out. So this was the rejection level. What did price do? Price came, closed above this candle first, engulfing this candle. So you would wait for like a 30-minute confirmation. So look at this. So once this candle closed, respecting this, and the next candle broke out and closed above. So what happened in the past? Pushed up at least here. $115 pips. See that?
But okay, so can you just zoom in one time? You see that level? Yeah, where the... Okay. Let me know.
Yeah.
990.
Yeah.
Alright, can you zoom in, like right now where you're inside the green parts only?
Okay.
Alright, you see that for the second resistance formed with a huge
This rejection.
Yes,
Yeah.
why won't we get? Are we gonna hold? I feel like getting out there also good.
Yeah, that also is good. So you can probably take a partial over there, since it's
Okay,
anyway
so-
come 50% of your target.
So it's depending on how much you want to take out basically at the end.
Yeah, so if you're comfortable with holding till here, no problem, okay. But you can take out one partial at 50%, right? And
Yeah.
if you see like, okay, if you've set like a certain level, so like I'll set this support from the past, so it lines up kind of with this support. Once it breaks the support, I'll take partials. You get what I mean?
Got it. All right.
In order to like make sure it doesn't just come back to entry, right?
Got it. Yes.
Yeah. But most likely I'll be looking at it every single day on the
1 second.
4-hour and daily time frames.
I got it.
Huh?
I was trying my deck.
Oh, I thought you said you got it, and I was like, wait, what? What did you get it?
Oh no. Said I got it.
Oh, okay. But 16 pips yen has moved from the top. Okay, so what we could also do is trade the higher time frames. So on the higher time frames, like say 4 hourly.
Yeah.
4 hourly, if we break like a support of the 4 hourly, so like here we broke the support. So why don't we take a trade on this? So we take our trade on the 4 hourly close.
Okay.
Let's just say, where did I go? Oh, right here. So we take a trade right over here. And then we go down the time frames to see where our stops would be. So that's over here. The stops would be over here. So can you see a minor resistance there?
Yep.
So stops would be about the minor resistance around 20 pips. And probably target the previous 4 hourly support. Okay, so since we're in this downtrend, we target this support right here.
To the point where it flips to a bullish trend.
181. Yeah.
Got it.
Because it has to fulfill this range right before it can continue.
Yeah.
So that's where I've been backtesting a lot of long-term trades. Can continue here also. Look for an entry. Oh, this one's a beautiful one. Can you see this? Came up and one candle that breaks above the top. Stops below that candle, right? Go back again to the 4 hourly. Last time what did we do when price was over here? Price came all the way up to this level. So right there. There you go. You see that? It didn't come back to the stop at all. And you can add positions in these levels.
You zoom out, no, one time.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Okay.
You see what
I just look at the bullish candle which forms after the bearish candle and try to understand.
Yeah.
What kind of entry will we get there?
So there'll always be a bullish engulfing, okay, somewhere. So you always need to search for that bullish engulfing color. Like this one, can you see this massive bullish engulfing candle?
Yep.
It engulfed like whatever, some 8 hours of candles. And then this one, this cell also. Can you see this bearish engulfing?
Yep.
Where we take in our trade. So that bearish engulfing gives us the confidence it is good. And here you could have had 2 entries. One from this level, right? Because it closed really nice and bearish.
Okay.
So while holding this, we saw that it created resistance and it broke above that also. So you can add 1 more entry. And then let it continue. Anyway, it's the same, right? Oof, gold is just not stopper for anyone today. Whew.
Could have done the same thing what we were discussing now on, which is this EN.
Yeah.
With that resistance and it's going down. But
Bro,
tell me.
I just made 10 pips on gold in 5 seconds. Mad thing. $400 pips, it's moving the 1, 2, 3 days. We have had 3 different entries. Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand.
Yeah.
Tell me, how would you have taken that as a long-term trade?
As a long-term trade. Right now entry. Alright. The resistance which was formed will be at 30. No. Hmm. 169050.
On which time frame are you taking it?
I'm looking at the 4 hour right now.
Okay, 4 hour. Alright.
But it rejected it from there. So check with the 1 hour also. One second.
1 second. So what is the rejection zone? Tell me.
Alright, 1 second. 50. From 50, it's being rejected on the 1 hour.
No, but you want to take it on the higher time frame rejection.
Cool.
No, you can find your trade low.
Yeah.
Ooh, I found out how we could have taken EN. Okay.
Are you talking about the current one, how you could have entered?
Yeah, how could we have entered EN
Currently.
to come down? Looking at the higher time frames coming down from the 4 hour to the 1 hour.
On the 4 hour, it's still bullish. That's the thing. But it has a massive rejecting wick.
Yeah. No, that's it. So how could you have taken that rejection? Because look to the past, you've seen 4 hours do it before.
Yeah, there's like a lot of that's a huge rejection zone. Or at 20ish.
Okay, actually tell me, how could we have entered this sell trade?
Okay.
On using only the 1 hour and the half an hour.
1 hour and a half an hour. Looking at 1 hour and half an hour, I would say 1.69030 on the 1 hour time frame, and when we go down to the 30-minute,
30. Okay.
so on the 30-minute we can see like a very small bullish candle, and then right after that a bearish candle which has broken the bottom wick to go down and the top wick, so we have an engulfing bearish candle. Is that
that's not exactly an engulfing bearish candle.
okay? But that is also, then there is also this huge rejection level, which if we see like I think on 30-minute and 1 hour both it's there.
Yeah.
But on the 1 hour it's just a massive wick on the left, like immediate left.
Yeah. Alright, so look at my screen.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright. So all the way from the 4 hour itself, okay? Look at this level from historical levels. So you can see that this level has been tapped, right? Here, these wicks. So you want to try to keep all these wicks into consideration when you choose your level. Okay, so that's why when I went down to the 1 hour, so when I moved from the 4 hour to the 1 hour, I wanted to find a level which is important, right?
Yeah.
And look at the level I found. A massive psychological level, 1.69 flat. Okay? So this is why this is important, firstly, because okay, fake out, breakout, okay, and look at this one, okay, look at what this turns into. 30-minute
retest.
You see that?
Yeah.
Try to break it, and faked out. What happened previously? Try to break it, faked out. So when we look at this, prices always try to break this level, but it's faked out off late, right? And so when we look at this, what happened? Price went up, it tried, the third candle tried to continue, but where did it close? Back
Got
in the
it.
range.
Yeah.
When it closes back in the range, enter your trade, stops at 7 pips and targets.
Right. Got it.
Yeah, and the only way to spot these is by continuously trying it, so I wouldn't have spotted it either, so
And once we start doing it, we'll get used to it.
yeah, I'm not used to taking the fake out trades, yeah. It's almost 68 pips down. So why would you take it? Based on this, based on this, based on this. Each one of these matter. So like that way you have to keep looking at the different types of candles and everything that are there. So wait, let me show you an example of an engulfing candle. Here, this is a perfect example of an engulfing candle. You see this candle right here?
Yeah.
What it did was it engulfed these candles. Can you see that? So this is an engulfing candle. When its body is bigger than like a group of previous candles. Okay?
Alright.
So this shows big buyer's momentum. And like over here, if you look at it, what happened over here? It engulfed this. Its body is bigger than the previous three. Its selling pressure goes down. I know this 4R is just playing the fool on yen.
Yeah.
Hasn't turned bearish, hasn't turned bearish, it's so weak bullish. If it closes that way, then it's going down. Because of the massive rejection. So just imagine how much buyer pressure they need in order to continue. So the sellers are most likely to take over. Gonna shop today?
Yep. Every day.
Grind don't stop.
But I have no choice right now. Mom doesn't want me at home because I'll always be playing or doing something on PC.
Yeah. Any new internships, anything?
Searching. Let's see.
Did you check on LinkedIn?
Yeah, man, but all these things for me when I checked it was all 2 to 3 years required experience.
Oh,
Still checking though.
yeah.
But
I think the market just requires a few days to reset all this rubbish. What time are you going to shop?
Sometime. He said come by 6. Let's see.
So it's we'll wrap up by 6 then. If we get a Euro New Zealand candle, so like you see what happened here. There was a bullish candle. This next bearish candle closed below the support and it came down. If this candle closes like this and the next candle closes below this, there is a high possibility to go down, but there's lots of traffic. All these wicks. Alright. Shall we call it a stream? Pretty sure a lot of things are moved. New York Stock Exchange is open. This 30 minutes should continue down if we start breaking the lows again. Let's see. Let's see what will happen if it continues breaking the lows. Should continue, but the problem is that stuff is right there. Alright guys, today no trades were taken. We just looked at the charts. I took one gold buy for 10 pips, but I didn't call it out because it's a very volatile market on gold, and the rest of the pairs are just ranging. Look at Euro New Zealand just playing the fool over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, perhaps if this somehow closes down there, perhaps it would be okay. But otherwise, we will be back tomorrow morning.
Really?
Kinda, not really. Let's see. I'm trying to get my schedule in order. So let's see how that works out. But we'll be back here tomorrow evening for sure. Alright, so see y'all. Take care.